How to download Snapchat Spotlight videos without watermark. Hello everyone, this is Hazal here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application on your device. Go to the Spotlight video. Tap on the video that you want to download. Tap on share. So here you'll get the option of download. Okay, so here just slide it to the side and here you'll get the download icon. Tap on it and the video will be downloaded with the watermark as well. So in order to download this video without watermark, you just have to share it to WhatsApp to anyone. Okay, so after sharing it on your WhatsApp, you just have to go and open it. And as Snapchat doesn't have any features to let you download any video without watermark, you just have to simply tap on screen recorder and you just have to record all the videos that you want to download it without watermark. So in this way you can get the video without watermark on Snapchat. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.